In a dramatic display of nature's power, Kanlaon Volcano on Negros Island has lit up the skies with ash emissions, reminding residents that it's still very much awake. According to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, PHIVOLC, this explosive event occurred around 8 a.m. on Sunday, as captured by their observatory cameras. The show featured grayish plumes soaring up to a jaw-dropping 500 meters above the crater, with the winds playfully sweeping them southwest. PHIVOLCS didn't hold back on the suspense, sharing a thrilling time-lapse of the weak but captivating ash emission. But hold on to your hard hats, folks. Alert Level 2 is still ringing in the ears of the locals, indicating the volcano's increased unrest. On Saturday alone, a whopping 65 volcanic earthquakes rattled the region, coupled with a staggering 1,638 tons of sulfur dioxide spewed into the atmosphere. Just to add a cherry on top, moderate plumes reaching 650 meters were also observed, showcasing the active volcano's latest theatrics as they drifted west-northwest. The Kanlaon edifice remains officially inflated, leading PHIVOLCS to caution against any excursions into the permanent danger zone, the 4-kilometer radius where danger lurks. As Kanlaon Volcano straddles the provinces of Negros Occidental and Negros Oriental, both residents and thrill seekers are reminded of the potential for sudden steam-driven eruptions and precursory magmatic activities. Stay alert, folks. This volcano is not done partying just yet.